So I just got my Revival Camp goodies in the mail, and I thought I'd do a really quick unboxing. I ordered this from Dayspring, and it coordinates with everything that Illustrated Faith has right now for Revival Camp. So I just thought I would show you what I got. And this is just really, really cute. I love how the package is looking. And how cute is the stamp? I'm probably going to cut this out somehow. Figure it out. And save as much of these stickers as possible. It's just so cute on the side back. Boom. So much fun. Love the little bag with the patches. So cute. I've got to figure out what I'm going to do with those. Probably hoard them. Let's be real. And the trail mix. I love the idea of this because I believe that Shauna individualized every one of them. So I'm excited to see. I'll do that fast. Another sticker. The washi. I love Freckled Fawn. Of course I love that. Like a green wood grain. If you can see that. Super cute. Alphas. Those don't know. The cardstock stickers. Love this little fawn. So cute. Faith badge. The stamp set. This is what I was most excited about. I love the little badges. The trees, so cute. And then the devotionals. I'm super excited about these because two of my friends wrote devotionals. Actually, I feel like all of them are my friends. So Shauna, Tanya, Lynette, and Lakeisha, who you might know from Confident Canvas. Love her. So super excited about these. Nice and printed. And then let's actually try to open these. I think they're just alphas, but we will see. Lots and lots of alphas. Oh my goodness. 2, 3, 4, 5 pages of alphas. That's awesome. Love it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, and then we'll see what I got in. So in the trail mix, it's some buttons, a little camera that says capture every day. It looks like some ribbon as well. I sort of don't want to open this. And this is probably going to go right in my book or my Bible. That's how it's sewed all together. Super cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I will be back in just a little bit to show you what I'm going to do with all of this and some extra goodies as well. So that was my unboxing of the Revival Camp kit. Thanks for joining me.